What's up, everybody? So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my 2 comma award. I'm actually super excited for this. Now, for those of you that don't know, a 2 comma award is basically if you make over $1 million with Clickfunnels. So I was able to do that, guys, with Clickfunnels, and I just got the award, so I'm really excited to open it. Now, before I even started this business, guys, I was literally negative $1,200 in the bank, okay? Which is insane, okay? Because I had done every business model that you can think of, from crypto, MLM, Amazon FBA, and I was negative in the bank because of that, okay? May of 2019, I started my online business as an affiliate marketer, and in March of 2020, literally right before all the shutdowns, I quit my job, okay? Since then, I launched my own program, my own funnel. At this point in time, we've helped over 22,000 students get on the path of quitting their 9-to-5 job. And because of that, I won a 2 comma award with Clickfunnels. So I wanna thank Russell Brunson and the Clickfunnels community. I definitely could have done it without you guys. Definitely my family, my wife, for believing in me. Now, I recently just told my wife that we're negative 1,200 in the bank. And she was like, wow, I can't believe you didn't tell me, but it's all good now because she believed in me through all that. And I'm actually just so excited for this, okay? So let's just go ahead and unbox this thing. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, so much hard work has gone into this. Oh man, this is crazy. I've been wanting to open this so bad, guys. Look at that. A 2 comma award. I just want to tell you that I never thought I would win one of these awards. I mean, I never even thought I'd win a $10,000 award, $1 million award. It's insane. Wow, look at that, guys. Jonathan Montoya. Freedom Breakthrough for making over $1 million with Clickfunnels. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for following me on this journey. If you're here from the beginning, I just want to thank you for all your support. But we're not done yet. I mean, we got so much work to do. My goal and purpose is to help, people in their 9-to-5 jobs get out of their 9-to-5 jobs, achieve financial and time freedom, because that's exactly what I wanted. Not because of the money. The money's great. The awards are awesome. But being able to help you guys have financial and time freedom is literally the thing that changed my life. So thank you everyone for following me, for anyone that's watching this in the future. And to a 2 comma X we go. Let's go.